Hello viewers, and welcome to our channel, 5 Best Pick. When buying any products, it can be challenging to find the most value for money item. To make your purchase decision easier, in this video we picked only the best tools by comparing hundreds of products based on a few criteria and ranked them. For example, features of the product, manufacturer's reputation, value for money, and most importantly, user feedback. If you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you are buying the best product. Please do check the product link in the description box below, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to enjoy more awesome contents like this. So, without any delay, let's get started.
Our number one pick is Panasonic Lumix S5. The Panasonic Lumix DC-S5 is a slimmer, more affordable full-frame camera, with loads of appeal for photographers shopping for an entry-level or mid-range model. Lumix S5 is a hybrid full-frame mirrorless camera that achieves both excellent performance in photo or video in a compact body designed for aspirational content creators. The Lumix S5 contains a 24.2 megapixel 35mm full-frame CMOS sensor that boasts a wide dynamic range and high sensitivity performance made possible by sufficient light condensation. The Lumix S5 further realizes recording maximum ISO 51200 crystal clear high sensitivity video with the adoption of the dual native ISO technology. The Lumix S5 boasts high speed, high precision AF in both photo shooting and video recording that are made possible with advanced deep learning technology featuring real-time detection of the subject's type and parts such as human eye, face, head and body. Use live view composite mode to instantly create a stunning image out of several live shots to capture fireworks or a starry sky. Our second best mirrorless camera is Canon EOS RP camera. If you're looking for a full-frame mirrorless camera that won't break the bank, the Canon EOS RP might be for you. Its feature set is modest in comparison to the other models on this list, but it is well built, produces excellent JPEGs, and is reasonably priced. The Canon EOS R has been removed from this list because the RP provides much better value for money. The R has marginally better image quality, particularly in low light, and more advanced video features, but for the money, the RP is the best option for most photographers. It has an excellent build and handling, and it feels great in the hand. You can change the shutter and aperture settings using the front and back dials. The other dials and settings appear to be in their proper places, and everything is adjustable. The camera's burst speed suffers as a result of its high resolution, with only 5 FPS in single-shot autofocus mode and 4 FPS in continuous mode. The dynamic range of the Canon EOS RP is disappointing. Raw images are noisier than they should be, particularly when compared to the camera's peers. This undoes some of the low-light shooting brilliance. Unlike many full-frame mirrorless cameras, the LCD screen rotates 360 degrees. The video features on the Canon EOS RP are a bit mediocre, and the rolling shutter, cropped 4K video, and 8-bit recording leave a lot to be desired for vlogging. Third in our list is Sony Alpha 7 IV mirrorless lens camera. Sony's new A7 is a full-frame 33-megapixel camera capable of incredibly sharp images, excellent dynamic range, and the best autofocus system on the market. It's small and light enough to carry all day without causing back strain, and the grip is soft. Because of the 5-axis image stabilization, you can handhold it in low-light situations, and the wide range of 4K video options make it the best all-around photo and stills combo on this page. There are better still cameras and better video cameras, but nothing combines the two quite like this. Number 4 in our best mirrorless camera list is Fujifilm X-T3 mirrorless camera. The Fujifilm X-T3 features an all-new back-illuminated 26.1 megapixel X-Trans CMOS 4 sensor and X-Processor 4 processor. Delivering superb image quality, dramatic AF performance, excellent tracking performance of fast-moving subjects and blackout-free burst shooting, the X-T3 is also the first APS-C mirrorless camera capable of 4K/60p 10-bit recording to meet the needs of professional videographers. The Fujifilm X-T3 features a newly developed back-illuminated X-Trans CMOS 4 sensor, the 4th generation to feature in the X series. Boasting a resolution of 26.1 MP, the sensor uses a unique color filter array, synonymous to X-Trans CMOS sensors, to control moire and false color without the use of an optical low-pass filter. Its back illuminated structure enhances image quality while maintaining a high signal-noise ratio. Furthermore, ISO 160, previously available only as extended ISO, is now part of the normal ISO range, allowing you to achieve incredibly clean, noise-free images. For details, let's watch more. Sensor into a camera body with a big grip that's better for telephoto lenses, and in-body stabilization for blur-free photos and video. It's the lightest X series camera with built-in stabilization, which is great for handheld photography, as well as 4K recording and a front-facing screen for vloggers. It's a worthy addition to the Fujifilm camera lineup, and it's a particularly appealing option for enthusiasts. This XS10 has been designed to provide on-the-go photographers with maximum control. Its deep hand grip affords solid, confident handling with any kind of lens attached, while the intuitive controls ensure effortless operation, no matter what camera system you are used to. When you also consider the 180 degrees vari-angle LCD touchscreen and up to 20 fps uncropped continuous shooting, with XS10 you will be ready to unleash Fujifilm's acclaimed color science for any and every photo opportunity. Video is becoming an increasingly important means of expression for creators around the world, so it is essential to have a camera that can excel in both photography and videography. XS10's outstanding movie-making abilities provide the perfect solution. For details, let's watch more.
Thanks for watching this video. Beside top-rated product video, we randomly provide special Amazon discount offer. So, please subscribe 5 Best Pick to get more product deal and videos on your feed. You can also check below description for updated best product link and price. Happy shopping!